Welcome back to Storytime with Michael. Another day, another Dogman adventure. Chief's birthday is about to get, well, let's just say, a little bit fishy. Let's check it out. If you want to be the first to know of any new Dogman releases, subscribe to this channel. Okay, let's get to it. It's time for Dogman Unleashed by Dav Pilkey. Chapter 1. The Secret Meeting. Early one morning at the cop station, Dogman was being very obnoxious. Hey! Stop it, Dogman! Let go! Cut it out! Hey, what's this? Chief's birthday. Chief's birthday is today! Let's have a party! Woo! We can all help plan it. Calling all cops! And so, I'll make a card. I'll bake a cake. We'll do the decorations. Now all we need is presents. What should we get him? Chief is always forgetting stuff. I know. Let's get him these brain dots to make him smarter. Whoa. New super brain dots. Good thinking. What else? I know. Chief is very lonely. Hey, let's get him a pet to keep him company. What kind of pet? How about a fish? Good idea. Fish are awesome pets. And they aren't filthy and obnoxious like dogs. Okay, it's settled. Dogman, I'm putting you in charge of buying a fish. But remember, don't buy a dead one. Chief does not like to roll around in dead fish. Only you like that. So don't buy a dead one. Hey, we gotta hurry. Chief will be back in 2 minutes. Who wants to go to the pet store? Who wants to buy a fish? Who's a good fish buyer? Dogman got so excited, he flipped. Flippy Rama. Who wants to go to the pet store? Who wants to buy a fish? Don't buy a dead one. Who wants to go to the pet store? Who wants to buy a fish? Don't buy a dead one. Go get the fish. Oh, hi, Dogman. Hey! Zoom! Clunk! Dogman! Chapter 2. Penelope's Pets. Ding ding! Ah, no, it's that dog-headed cop again. The pet store people did not like Dogman because he was a total pain. Boing boing! He sampled all of the kibbles. Munch munch! He licked all of the bones. And he played with all of the balls. Hee! Squeak squeak! Cut it out, Dogman. Look at the mess you made. Is that any way for a cop to behave? Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Squeak. Give me that ball. Triple Flippy Rama. Ready? Drop it! Let go! Cut it out! Ow! My arm! Then he saw her. She was beautiful. She was fluffy, and she smelled great too. Sniff, sniff. Soon their eyes met. help you? Dogman tried to remember why he was there. Fish. Dogman looked at all the fish. Then he found one. But, that one's dead. Are you sure you want to buy a dead fish? Whatever you do, don't buy a dead fish. Well? That fish costs $5 plus tax. But Dogman had no money. Aha! Just as I suspected. Wait here. Dogman wants to buy a fish, but he ain't got no money. Hey, let's give him that evil fish. What evil fish? Follow me. Employees only. It came to our pet shop last Friday the 13th, with a wicked heart and a soul as dark as 1,000 midnights. Keep out. I tried to put him in with the other fish, but he took over all of the little castles, stole every tiny plastic treasure chest, and bullied each fish who dared to cross his wretched path. Look upon the fishy face of evil. Please do not tap on glass. So we should give him to Dogman? Yeah, why not? Soon. Here you go, Dogman. Your very own butterfly fish. Yee! Hey, it's free, so no complaining. Then, ding ding, how much is that doggy in the window? Oh, that's Zuzu. She's a rescue dog from the shelter next door. She's only $100 plus tax. Okay, here's $100, and here's some tax. Awesome. Here you go. Cool. We're gonna be best friends forever. Well, goodbye, everybody. Hey, you're Dogman. I'm your biggest fan. Here's my card. Sarah Hadoff, world's greatest reporter. Munch, munch. See you later. Bye. Chapter 3. Happy Birthday, Chief.
Happy birthday to you.
Here's your presents, Chief. Oh boy, this is gonna be great.
Rip, rip, rip.
Wow, super brain dots. Who got me this? We did, because you are very forgetful. No, I'm not. That's so rude.
I'm not forgetful at all.
We're sorry, Chief. That's better. Wow, super brain dots. Who got me this? Zion. Look what Dogman got you. Oh boy, a fish. I always wanted a fish. I'm gonna name you Flippy. Hooray! Later, you can live here, Flippy. Hey, Chief, don't forget to take your brain dots. Oh, yeah. Directions. Don't take a lot. Never more than a dot, or something may happen. We ain't saying what. Pop. Toss. 1 dot. I'll just keep the rest of it up here. Beep beep. Hey, it's time for lunch. Slam. Whoop. what happened next? Well, in this book, they say Flippy's brain grew 11 sizes that day. Okay, so an evil fish with a human-sized brain? I mean, so many things could go wrong. If you want to know what happens next, subscribe to this channel to be the first to know when the next video is released.